Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how to create this real estate flyer in just probably 10 to 15 minutes, and we're done with this. Alright, so you can see I created this with Pixellab. Alright, and I'm going to show you the easy way, okay, to do this. Alright, so I think we are not going to touch the editing part. Okay, I edited the flyer, okay, after I edited it again after dealing with it on Pixellab. Right, I took it to Snapseed and did some editing to bring out the sharpness and all. Alright, so let's start. I'll go to my default templates and I'll delete my main text. Alright, and I'll make my background white. Alright, so okay, let me just change my background from here. Alright, I use the gradients of the background, and I use 3 tabs. Okay, the first one, the color code for the first one is FC FE FD. Alright, and the second one is I'm not picking any color. Okay, the second one is DFF 4E3. Yep, and then the third one is ED. Come on. Alright, ED F9 F0. Alright. Alright, it might be like this background is simple, come on, but then this is what I did. Okay, this is how it was. Alright, this is how it was earlier before now. So just tap on this first area. Oh, you cannot see my tabs, let me turn it on. Alright, so tap on this. Okay, this is how it was earlier before now, and if you tap on this it will change the direction. So just drag this node here and drag the other one this way. Okay, this is how I want it to be, and this is my background. Okay, so let's bring in the design we are trying to replicate. Okay, this is it right here, and the next thing we want to do is to put this Kyle stuff on our background. Okay, so this is what you do. Go to image search man, okay, an app for sourcing for images, and search for scale image. Okay, oh, my data connection is turned on. Alright, so I just turned on my data connection and we should have an image any moment from now. Come on. Okay, we might not get exactly what I used there. Okay, I still have the image saved on my phone, but then I need you to know how I got my resources, because I will not be dropping the resources to this very design. Okay, you have to do the sourcing yourself. Alright, so let's see which one looks very similar to the one we used. I think we have white stuff at the right, so let's keep searching for okay, this one can do. Alright, and this one can also do. No, the quality is low. Let's go with this. Can we go with this? No. Alright, so let's just work with what we have already. Okay, let's work with what we have already. There's watermark on that one. Oh, come on. There's watermark on these images, so I'm going to do like this. Alright, we'll just download this one and use it the way it is. Okay, so come to your Pixellab and let's hide this guy. So add another shape. Okay, this is a shape, and then come to the color, the fill color, and change it to gradient. But this time we're going to make this tab, okay, to be white, and then make this one to be white also, but this time reduce the transparency to 0. Okay, so tap on OK, and you should have this. Want to apply a fading, okay, into the background, and then you come to texture. Okay, I believe you saw what I did. Come to this guy, texture, tap on the image to add the texture, and let's add this one. Okay, so you can see that there is a sharp cut here. Alright, just adjust this, adjust it until you have something like this. Okay, so you can now fill your screen, okay, with it. Okay, just arrange it the way you want it to be. Alright, that's basically what it is. So I'll just lock it, and then the next thing is to get our image of that house. You can get it from pngring.com. Alright, search for house, just use the keyword house, and we should get what we're looking for. Just keep searching till you get the very house, okay, you want to use. You can see different houses here. You can still try out any one you want, okay. So let's just keep searching. I think we're almost close to the very house I used. Okay, almost close. Yep, there's it. So I'll just download. I'll tap on download this PNG. I'll cancel the ad, and then click the alphabet in order to download the PNG. Okay, click in order: A, then question mark, T, and 5. A, question mark, T, and 5. Okay, I have all of these visual elements, like the sky, okay, the sky, the house, and all. But I need you to know how I got my resources, okay, so that you too can also do the same thing. Alright, so file downloaded. So I'll come back to Pixellab, import my file, okay, and then drag it to fill my screen. Alright, let's go back to our references and let's see how it is over there. Okay, so something like this. We have something like this. Alright, but if you observe so well, you see that this shape is kind of slant. Okay, it's kind of slanty or bent in a way. So just come to, let's see if we can use perspective to and adjust it a bit. Alright. This will have. This is what we have. I think this is okay. Alright. So we can still reduce it a bit, and then to have this. Okay, we still have to reduce it a bit because there's a space here and there was also a space here. So alright, I think we're good. Let's just lock the guy and then come to this way. Then let me see if I can get another better scale image. Let's just make use of this one and see how is this looking. Let's try out another one. Nope, don't like this. Okay, none of these images are given, so when you're doing yours, okay, when you're creating your own, you can just choose to, try out different images until you get the one that works or the one that fits perfectly. Okay, so now you add another shape. Alright, add another shape. Let's continue. Add another shape and place it around here. Okay, just place it here. Let me reduce the size of this guy. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is add the, okay, let's just finish with the lower third. Okay, the for more inquiries, call stuff, blah 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 blah. So just add another shape. Okay, add another shape like this and place it right here. Okay, so for the color I will pick the color from the main design. Okay, so this is the color code 00550A. okay, that's the color code. So I'll just place it like that and then add another shape, but this time I'm working with triangle. So I'll reduce the size of the triangle and also pick the color of the green from the original flyer. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so this is it. I can still increase the reduce the shade. Okay, so if I go this way, I'm adding the shade, that's adding black to it. Alright, so I want to reduce it and then I'll send this one to the front. Okay, and still bring this one, okay, this is how it is. Okay, this is how it is when I added the shape. But then come to your layers and then drag this triangle back to the back of this white shape, okay, and then copy the triangle. Let's do the same for the other end. Then bring it to this end, come to your layer, and then take it back of the white. So take it to the back of the white, and then this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. Almost done with this flare. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is add your text, reach your dream home. Alright, so I'll type in my text, reach your dream home. Okay, but then let's break it, and then it's fine, this will work. So I'll come to, nope, I'm not using mask, so I'll come to font, and then I'll look for, let's go with creator display and see. Okay, yeah, creator display will work. So I will reduce the line spacing and then change the color to white. Okay, my color is white. Then the next you want to do is add your stroke. Okay, add your stroke. You can choose to use any of the color from here, maybe the one you used for the background, or no, not the background, maybe the one you used for this shape we added, the shape we want to place our name. Okay, so increase your, well, let me change it to the one I used on the main design. I used 016405. Alright, so we're good. Alright, so our stroke, let's leave our stroke like this. Okay, so then you come to shadow, add your shadow, reduce the blur radius to 0, and then the offset Y. Okay, we are making use of black for our shadow. Alright, so increase the offset Y, and you should have this. Alright, so then you add another text, and then come to color, and okay, let's just make use of this one. Okay, well, let's increase the shade a little. Remember, you cannot use a dark color on a dark background, neither can you use a white color in a white background. So reduce the stress. Okay, let's just crop this and see. Reduce the stress of going to look for houses and get the best and satisfied purpose. Okay, reduce the stress of going to look for houses and get the best and certified from us. Is that the text? Is that the message there? And get the best and certified home from us. Okay, best and certified, okay, home from us. Alright, so we change our fonts to creator display. Okay, so creator display, another font from the creator display family. Okay, let's make use of regular, and then reduce the size, and then I think this will work. So just reduce the line spacing, and we should have this. Okay, we should have this, and then I think what next? The next you want to do is okay, the shape right here. So we just add our shape. Okay, add our shape, pick this color. No, that one is too dark, so let's make use of this one. So add your shape here. Alright, copy again, edit, then reduce, and then drag it right here, and then we should have this. Then come right here, and then okay, remember, always ensure that, let me reset my guidelines. Always ensure that your works are always aligned at the left and at the right. Okay, so let's make use of 10 here, and then come here, make use of 10, 90 rather, so have equal space on the left and the right part. So we have this. Okay, we have this, and then come here, let's select it, two of them, and then shift it. Okay, I think this works, and then send this to the front. Okay, so now we have just two things remaining. the shape here. Okay, just go to PNG Wing and still do the same thing. Search for leaf. Okay, just search for leaf and you should get it. And then I want to believe you know how to blur your icons using Photoroom. Okay, I blurred mine using Photoroom, so I'm going to Photoroom to pick my leaf. Okay, yeah, this is it. So I'll pick this one and then increase it, and then no, I'm not increasing it, just rotate it a bit and then drop it right here, and then I'll go back to Photoroom. This is the one I used now is a Gaussian blurred element. Okay, so I want to make use of motion blur for the next one. Okay, so where's my leaf? Okay, this one I made use of motion blur for this, so I'll reduce it and then bring it right here, just drop it around here. Okay, just drop it around here. And what next? So I got the icon too using what's it called, this, it's a fictional design actually. So I'll just use subscribe. Okay, subscribe homes. Alright, so that's just a way of reminding you that you've not subscribed to this channel, so you might want to do that. Okay. Alright, so I'll search for creator display, and I'll make use of regular also. So I'll just reduce the size a bit, change the color to black. Yep, and then centralize it, then come down a bit. I'll still reduce the size, but for my reach your home and this other guy, I need to bring them down a bit. Yep, that works. So I'll increase the spacing, the word, okay, letter spacing, not words. Alright, so subscribe homes. I think that's basically everything. Okay, so for the 1.5 million, when designing, don't do this then you put 1.5. just use capital N and then you put 1.5. Doesn't make sense. Okay, so I'll make my color white and then I'll change my N to Naira. Okay, so I don't know the kind of keyboard you're making use of, but mine, if I slide to the left, my language will change to Hausa, and Hausa is a state in Hausa is a language in Nigeria, and then the keyboard should be able to have N, okay, as a symbol, so Naira as a symbol. So I'll change it to Naira and I'll put 1.5 million. Okay, it's million there, no M, just M. Alright, so my audience should be able to understand this real quick. Alright, so I'll change my fonts to another font from creator display. I don't want to use regular this time, just make use of bold or black, whichever black is better. So I'll reduce. Okay, I think I actually made use of black from the design. Okay, so I'll just copy this. No, this is not aligned, it's not centralized, so I'll just copy this and then change the color to white and type price starts from, and then I'll reduce the size again and then try to centralize it. Alright, so we're good. So I think other than this, the only thing we didn't touch, okay, the only thing we didn't touch is the for more inquiries. Okay, for more inquiries, phone number, blah 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 blah. Okay, so if you can just choose to do that at your own phone number, right, for sake of practice. And then I think that's basically all. Okay, Snapseed is well understood. You can just go to Play Store. Okay, go to Play Store and search for Snapseed. Okay, Snapseed, and then this is the app. Okay, so if you open the app, you should be able to know how to use it. Just increase the details, okay, increase the sharpening. And all right, so with this we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. One more thing before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye.